AR-15 rifle and military-style clothing seized in St. James. The Jamaica Constabulary Force has seized an AR-15 style rifle, ammunition, and military-style clothing during a targeted operation at the Retirement Landfill in St. James. Police said the operation was carried out after officers received intelligence about illegal items hidden at the disposal site. During a search of a heavily vegetated section of the property, the officers reportedly discovered the rifle and other items concealed among the undergrowth. No arrest has been made in connection with the seizure. Investigators are now working to determine who placed the weapon at the location, whether it has been used in any crimes, and whether it is connected to individuals or criminal groups operating in Western Jamaica. The rifle is expected to undergo ballistic testing as the investigation continues. Police are encouraging anyone with information to contact Crime Stop at 311, the National Intelligence Bureau at 811, Police Emergency at 119, or the nearest police station.
In front of us is a AR-15 rifle, which we seized a short while ago in the Granville retirement community. As seen, it is an AR-15 rifle, which also has a magazine and one round. Along with this weapon, we found a camouflage consisting of a pants, a vest shirt, and shoes, all of military. We, the police here in St. James, are resolute in removing weapons like these from the communities here in St. James. No.
Search resumes for missing St. Elizabeth woman. Police and residents have resumed the search for 50-year-old Nicola Nicky Brown of Barton Wharf district in St. Elizabeth. According to preliminary reports, concern grew after Miss Brown could not be located. Residents reportedly questioned her common-law partner about her disappearance, and during the confrontation, the man allegedly admitted to killing her and disposing of her body in a river. The man was reportedly attacked and beaten by residents before officers from the Wachovia police intervened. He was taken to hospital for treatment and subsequently placed in police custody. His alleged statement has not yet been tested in court and no criminal charge has been announced. Police officers, assisted by residents, searched the river and neighboring areas until approximately 3 Tuesday morning, but did not find Miss Brown. The operation has since resumed as investigators continue trying to establish what happened and locate her. Authorities have urged members of the public to allow the police investigation to proceed and not take the law into their own hands.
The only thing Miss could have said is a quiet girl. I must tell him say I go leave him. And only that me could have said why he kill Nicky. Because Nicky is so quiet.
We no sleep for all the hours a night we over here hunt. 12 o'clock last night to 1 o'clock where people on the river side there.
I'm just here.
And we in the bush them over here. So over there so we are going to know this morning again. Go circle the whole place, Papa. But we have to find the body.
Police constable found dead at Maypen police station. An investigation has been launched following the discovery of a police constable's body inside the Maypen police station in Clarendon. Reports indicate that the constable, who was assigned to the Clarendon Police Division's Transport Department, was found inside the station on Monday afternoon with a wound to the neck. His colleagues reportedly made the discovery and alerted the relevant investigators. The circumstances surrounding the policeman's death remain unclear. Investigators are expected to examine surveillance footage, interview personnel who were at the station, and establish the constable's movements before his body was found. The police have not publicly announced a conclusion about how he died. The incident is therefore being treated as an active investigation, and the public is being asked to avoid speculation while the evidence is examined. Jamaica to recruit healthcare workers from Ghana. Jamaica and Ghana have signed an agreement that will allow qualified Ghanaian healthcare workers to take up employment in Jamaica. The arrangement was announced during the state visit of Ghanaian President John Dramani Mahama. It is expected to help Jamaica fill vacancies across its public health system, which has continued to lose trained professionals to overseas recruitment. The government has not yet disclosed the number of workers expected under the program or the timetable for their arrival. Additional information will also be needed about professional registration, licenses, contracts, and where the incoming personnel will be assigned. The initiative comes as Jamaica continues trying to retain locally trained nurses, doctors, and other healthcare professionals while maintaining adequate staffing at hospitals and health centers. Those are the main stories in this afternoon's Jamaica News Now Roundup. The search for Nicola and Nicky Brown remains active in St. Elizabeth, while investigations continue into the firearm seizure at the Retirement Landfill and the death of a police constable in Maypen. Subscribe to Jamaica News Now, turn on your notifications, and share this report so that more Jamaicans at home and across the diaspora can stay informed. I'm your host. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now, your Highlands, your news, right now.